Well, it's going to be a long shot. I got to take that sending unit out up there, but I can't hardly get it from above, so it's going to be a long shot to try to show you. It's going to be like this, and it's probably not going to be able to see nothing because I can't see it. So if you could even see what I'm doing, it's a gamble. If this works, I'll put it up, but right like so. If it works, if it don't, that means I made it for nothing. And this one's a oil pressure socket. And like I said, if you can see it, you can see it, because I can't see what the phone's doing. So I got to use this oil pressure socket. It works, but I got a leak, and I think there's another one. I think it's either the oil pressure light. It can't be the NOx sensor, but I gotta look. It's up by the distributor, so that's another day. Right now, I'll do this because tomorrow I'm pressure washing the whole underside of this. Oh, the oil sender. I'll show you in a minute. God dang. This top right here spins. That's where maybe it's leaking. It's right here. This spins. Okay, now, God, I hate doing with dirty hands. I'm gonna put a little Teflon on here. Let's see, you gotta remember it this way. Let's see, I gotta remember. Nope, the other way. Nope, that was right the first time. This way. I gotta go counterclockwise. Oh, God, I hate doing all this down without clearance. And I like it to be spread out and flat, not twisted on there. Ah, for crying out